Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on microphone when with screen recording. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to the settings, and in the settings we need to tap on control center. Here we need to tap on reset control center. It will reset the control center. Now what you need to do is simply swipe down the page, and here you can see that there is no recording option or mic option. So what you need to do is simply hold on it, and then you can see add a control. Simply tap on it, and here you can see the screen recording. So simply just tap on it, and as you can see your recording option is added. Now if you want to turn on microphone, what you need to do is simply hold on the recording, and here you can see that the microphone is turned on. So you can just simply turn it on from here.